The link is in Instagram on my highlights. Really great discussions where people are posting different things, different thoughts. 54 people have already joined, something like that, which is way more than I thought. So come join us, come talk, come share your ideas. I am also pointing this out because after we talk about today's project idea, I assume that you're going to have questions, or maybe you want to team up with somebody, or you want to post your work for review, whatever the case may be. Feel free to do that. The Discord is really the best place to do that, right? I try to keep up with the Instagram comments. I do a pretty good job of replying, but that's not always great for when you may have like an in-depth question, right? So feel free to do that and let me, contribute to the conversation. I love the community helping each other. I give my opinions when I can, but yeah, I just love the community being able to kind of help each other along.